Hi everybody. With fall just around the corner, it's the perfect time to make sure your home is safe, efficient, and cozy for the upcoming season. Today I'm sharing some essential fall tips, maintenance tips for homeowners, so let's dive right on in. First up, test your carbon monoxide and smoke detectors. These small devices play a huge role in keeping your family safe. Make sure they're in proper working condition and replace batteries if needed. Next, don't forget to change your furnace filters and air filters. This simple step helps improve air quality and keeps your heating system running smoothly. And while you're at it, inspect the heat exchangers on your furnace. Look out for any cracks or corrosion that could cause issues down the line. Or better yet, call for your annual maintenance. Make sure you check the weather stripping on your windows and doors and make sure they're intact. They help prevent drafts and save energy costs. Don't forget to service your yard equipment. A little maintenance now can save you time and efforts later. Make sure you also get those snow blowers ready. Lastly, give your baseboards some attention. Vacuum and clean them to keep your home looking fresh and polished. There you have it, a few simple tips to keep your home in great shape for the fall. Thanks for watching and stay tuned for more home tips. Remember, a little maintenance goes a long way. See you next time. And don't forget to subscribe for more tips.